Okay, hi guys, and this is my first ever skirt. Okay, sorry about that. Moment of silence. Just put moment of silence at whenever you saw that. Moment of silence. Okay, here we are. Sorry, I have to do this really quick. What's good for you guys is that I am a pro at this. Oh yeah, my friends ask me if I can try not to get coins during Sky High. I said if I try not to, I would get a rare. I don't believe that. Yeah, here we go. Background. Flying in the air. This would be scary in real life. No! Complete fail Sky High. Oh, I'm not. Can you bark? Can you bark? Oh, no, you can't. See how that is. Whoa.
On the side?
No! No. No, no, no. No. You die.
Will you let them back in about 10, 15 minutes?
10, okay. 10, 15. And 15. 20, 25. 30, 35, 40, 45. Sorry about that. Oops, no. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. If you saw that, and I'm sorry I was counting by fives. I am not a preschooler or something. I was this, yeah. 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, there I go again. I need help. I need help. It was either me or my sister. Me and my sister need help. Poor Tracy. We were addicted to these nachos. And then now all of a sudden we hate them. No! You are a glitchy python! Complete fail. This is gonna be a failure video. I don't earn anything. Okay, let's just see from all the times I failed. Let's see how much I earned from all the times I failed. It's probably gonna be a 300. 300. Okay, that's it. I need help from my friend. Oh, I also want to show you this rainbow party. And I got a raccoon tail. I got a raccoon tail. And a fox hat and a cupcake hat. Bam, guess. Oh, okay. Well, this is her rainbow party. And yes, I don't really get why she's throwing a rainbow party. Okay, yeah, can I tell them? Recording. I don't want anyone to disturb me while I do this video. Okay. Well, okay, well, this is actually a good party. Well, yeah. Okay, here we go. Let's try, winning Sky High. How about that? Let's win Sky High. Okay, this is the last chance. And if not, I'm naming this complete failure of Sky High. Sky High, complete failure. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Okay, it might be quiet for a while. I can do this. Okay, let's count by fives, children. Welcome to Gaming's World. Welcome to Elmo's World. Elmo. Let's count by fives, children. Have you had a nice day today? Oh, I bet you have. Because we met Elmo. Oh, I'm so far getting all the gems. Ooh, 18. Sorry. My friend. Hop hop. Oh no. No, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No! Sorry, I gave someone a respect collar once. failure. Complete failure. Failure. Ooh, who's trading? Ooh, trading going on. Sorry, I'm a little hyper. Don't ask why. Okay, okay, we're gonna do this. Hot air 5. Alright. Better. Yay. Hop. Whoop. 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 Yes, I can do it. Do the can. Do the Alice. Do the Alice. Do the Alice. Okay, I gotta let my dogs back in there. Okay, in 4 more minutes, I gotta get off the computer and let dogs in. Dogs in. Dogs in. Yeah, that's my life. Don't stretch it. Don't stretch it. Don't lie about it. I don't lie about my life. Oh my gosh, how many snowflakes decoration? Animal Jam, you just ruined my vibe. My vibe. My vibe. Yeah, Animal Jam, you're ruining my vibe. I almost had this. I had that. Oh my gosh, Animal Jam. You ruined my vibe. Shame on you. This is where I always die. I'm really dumb. Okay, we're gonna name this Complete Failure Video, Part 1. Oh, my failure video. Oh, yeah, okay, if I do not make this, this is gonna be a failure. Is it just because my articles are so awesome? Okay, tell them to remind me, people, when I get there, do not click the, don't go to the, don't go to the light. Mad. Okay, this is 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 long. Okay. Yeah. Oh, damn. What? Probably I do better when I'm